Good morning, friend. This is part 5, chapter 2, long and short, NCERT class 4. In this video, we will discuss running exercise and how many rooms high at page number 19, from Kozhikode to Thalassery at page number 20, how far is your home from school, page number 2021, I wish I were at page number 22. So let us start inter-school sports meet running exercise. Okay. The doctor has told Devi Prasad to run 2 kilometers every day. To stay fit, he took one round of this field. How far did he run? Okay, so this is the field. And Devi Prasad took one round of this field. So he started from here, went here, then come here, then reached back to this point. Okay. So, doctor has asked to run 2 kilometers every day. How many meters in 2 kilometers? We just multiply by 1000. Means 2000 meters. Okay, so 2 kilometers has 2000 meters. So now, how far did he run? If he completed this one round, how far did he run? So you can see from here to here 500 meter plus 500 meter plus 500 meter plus 500 meter means he added 500 meters 4 times. So Devi Prasad, one round is equal to 500 meter, 500 meter, 500 meter, 500 meter. This is repeated addition, and repeated addition means multiplication, means 4 into 500 meters, that is 4 5s are 20. So 2000 meters. Okay. So 2000 meters. And when we convert a meter to kilometer, we just unit, tens, 100, and after the 100 place digit everything is kilometer. So 2 kilometer. Okay. So one round of this park makes 2 kilometer run. Okay. This completes the round which is suggested by the doctor, but this park is very far. Okay. The field is very far from his home, so he choose a park nearby. So उसने एक park choose किया. The boundary of the park was 400 meter. So one round of park is 400 meter. So how much round should he take to complete a 2 kilometer run? Okay. Second round, when he will complete first round, he will run 400 meter. When he completes second round, means 400 meter in first round, 400 meter in second round, then in 2 rounds 800 meters. Now in third round 800 meter up to second round, then plus third round 400 meter, that is 1200 meter. In fourth round 1200 meters plus 400 more, so 1600 meters. In fifth round 1600 meters plus 400 meters, that is 2000 meters. And we know that if we have to convert meter into kilometer, we leave 3 digits, 1 2 3, that is 2 kilometer. Okay. So if he will took 5 rounds of this park, so he will take 2 kilometer run. Okay. So this is the park. He just complete 5 round of this park, 1 2 3 4 and 5. In that way he runs 2 kilometers. One day weather was very good and a cool breeze was blowing. He felt so good that he kept jogging. तो मौसम बहुत अच्छा होने की वजह से वो बहुत घूमता रहा और तब तक घूमता रहा जब तक वो थक नहीं गया. तो इस प्रोसेस में उसने 8 राउंड लगा लिए उस पार्क के. कौन से पार्क के? उस पार्क के जिसका एक सर्कल 400 मीटर है। ऐसे पार्क के उसने 8 राउंड लगा लिए। दैट डे ही रैन, उस दिन वो कितना राउंड लिया उसने? एक राउंड में 400 मीटर। सो 8 राउंड्स में 400 इंटू 8, 8 4 जा 32 meters. Means how will we convert this 3200 meter into kilometer? Yes, unit, tens, 100. After 100 we just make it kilometer. 3 kilometer, and whatever left we just say meters. 3 kilometer 200 meters. So 3 kilometers 200 meters. What if he takes 10 rounds? Again, 1 round is equal to 400 meters. So 10 round is equal to 400 into 10 meters. That is 4000 meters. And 4000 meter is equal to 4 kilometer. What if he takes 12 rounds? 12 rounds, in 1 round 400 meter, in 12 round 400 plus 12, 400 into 12 meters. Now we will multiply 12 4 ja 48, these 2 zeros, meters. So unit, tens, 100, 1000, so 1000 place is kilometer, 4 kilometer 800 meters. Okay, so this is the result of 12 round. So similarly, the number of rounds will increase, meters or distance will increase, and we will just get it by multiplying. Okay, so now let us move next. How many rooms high? How many rooms high? The Qutub Minar is 72 meter high. Okay, so height of Qutub Minar is 72 meters high. Where is Qutub Minar? Qutub Minar is in Delhi. Okay, and height of the Qutub Minar is 72 meter. Okay, about how many meters high is your classroom? So our classroom is generally 3 meters high. Okay, 3 meters high. Look at the Qutub Minar. You can see this height is ground to top 72 meters. Okay, and what is the height of our classroom? Just 3 meters. Okay, so look at this, how small is our class room in front of Qutub Minar, and how high Qutub Minar is as compared to our classroom. Okay, now see, guess how many rooms one on top of the other will be equal to Qutub Minar. तो हम कितने क्लासरूम को एक के ऊपर एक रख दें, कितने क्लासरूम को एक के ऊपर एक रख दें कि वो कुतुब मीनार के साइज के इक्वल हो जाए. ओके, टोटल हाइट ऑफ कुतुब मीनार 72 मीटर, height of one classroom 3 meters, so we will divide 72 by 3 meters. 3 2 ja 6, 7 minus 6 1, we will take 2 down. 3 2 ja 3 4 ja 12, 12 minus 12 0, so 24. So how many classrooms we have to put? 24 classrooms. When we will put 24 classroom 1 over 1, 1 over 1, 1 over 1, then it will make equal to height of Qutub Minar. So suppose your school is 3 section school. Okay, first A, first B, first C, second A, second B, second C, third A, third B, third C, 4A, 4B, 4C, and fifth A, fifth B, fifth C. So how many classrooms are total in primary section? Okay, 3 sections for each class, And how many classes are in primary section? 5 class. So total rooms 15. So you can see we in primary section we just have 15 classrooms. So if we put all the classrooms 1/1, still Qutub Minar is higher than our classrooms. Okay, so you can understand how high the Qutub Minar is. Okay, now from Kozhikode to Thalassery, look at this picture. They are one brother and sister. They are standing in near the board. From this board, Thalassery is 46 kilometer this side, and Kozhikode is 24 kilometer this side. Okay. So what is distance between Kozhikode to Thalassery? Okay, what will be the distance? Distance from here to here. And what is the distance from here to here? 24 kilometer plus from here to more here 46 kilometer. Okay, so this will be the total distance. So what will be the total distance? 24 plus 46, that is 70 kilometers. Okay, now let us see the story. Subodh is going to Kozhikode, which is 24 kilometer away. Manjini is going to Thalassery, which is 46 kilometer away, in the opposite direction. Okay, opposite means one will go this way, other will go this way. How far is Kozhikode from Thalassery? So 24 kilometer plus 46 kilometer, which is 70 kilometer. Okay, now how far is your home from school? Look at this picture. There is a boy, home is here. He goes some distance by walking, then some distance by going in pond, then in some distance in field, then some distance on road, then he reaches to school. So how far is school? Okay, Momin comes school from very far. He first walks about 400 meter. So from home to pond, this is 400 meter. Okay, with the slippers in hand, then he walks 150 meter. So distance of pond is 150 meters. Next, he run across 350 meters green field. So field is 350 meters. Then he crosses 40 meter road. So this is 40 meter. Then he reaches to school. So how much distance he covers? He covers 400 meters plus 150 meter plus 350 meter plus 40 meter. Okay, so we will add all these distances. 0, 5 and 5, 10 plus 4, 14, carry over 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. So total distance is 940 meters. Okay, from home to school for total distance is 940 meter. How much distance Momin walk to every day to school? This is 940 meters. Is it equal to, is it less than 1 kilometer or more than 1 kilometer? Yes, it is less than 1 kilometer because 1 kilometer has 1000 meters. So this is 60 meter less than 1 kilometer. Okay, so is it more than 1 kilometer? No, it is less than 1 kilometer. Now, how far is your home from school? So you ask your friends where they live, write his or her name, then see on Google how much distance is from school to his home. Okay, if some distance will be here, name of your friend will be here, then his place. So in Google, if you will write his place to name of the school, you will find a distance from there in meters or kilometer. Then you can see who is living more away from the school. So you have to do it at your home. Find out how far your friends live from school and fill in the table, write in meters or kilometers. Who among you live nearest to the school? After completing this table, you can tell who is living nearest to school, who is living farthest from the school. How many children live less than 1 kilometer from your school? Okay, so when you will complete this table, you can complete the information. Is there anyone who lives more than 5 kilometer? You can see the table and tell the answer. Now, I wish I were. Okay, generally we use was with I, but here I were. I wish I were. So जब हम लोग कल्पना करते हैं तो I के साथ वर यूज करते हैं. If I were a king मीन्स जब हम लोग सोचते हैं, कल्पना करते हैं, इमेजिनेशन करते हैं, तो आई के साथ वर यूज करते हैं. ठीक है, तो अभी एक कल्पना वाली पोएम है, एक इमेजिनेशन वाली पोएम है. आई विश आई वर. आई विश आई वर अ काइट सो दैट आई कुड राइज अबव दिस बिल्डिंग्स हाइट. ओके, जो काइट होती है वो बहुत ऊंचा उड़ सकती है, किसी भी बिल्डिंग से ऊपर चली जाती है, इसीलिए वो इमेजिनेशन कर रहा है कि I wish I were a kite so that I could rise above this building's height. Okay, I wish I were a bird so that I could fly. अगर वो पक्षी होता तो उड़ सकता. And reach above that kite, और वो उस पतंग से भी ऊपर चला जाता. I wish I were a cloud so that I could move above those little birds. So जो cloud हैं वो bird से भी ऊपर होते हैं. I wish I were a plane so that I could rise above the clouds and the hills. अगर वो प्लेन होता, एरोप्लेन होता, तो वो उन बर्ड से, उन सब चीज़ों से ऊपर उठ जाता. ओके, नाउ विच इज़ द हाइएस्ट बिल्डिंग दैट यू हैव सीन एंड हाउ मैनी रूम्स हाई दैट वाज. ओके, सो जस्ट राइट हियर आंसर. विच इज़ द हाइएस्ट बिल्डिंग यू हैव सीन. हाउ हाई कैन अ काइट गो. काइट कितना उड़ सकती है. कैन इट गो हायर देन कुतुब मीनार. यस, इट कैन गो हायर देन अ कुतुब मीनार. हाउ हाई कैन अ प्लेन फ्लाई. प्लेन भी बहुत ऊपर उड़ सकता है. माउंट एवरेस्ट इज अबाउट 9 किलोमीटर, और वो 9 किलोमीटर से भी ऊपर उड़ सकता है. हैव यू एवर सीन क्लाउड्स बिलो यू. यस, हेयर वी आर लिविंग in Ranik Hills, several times we see the clouds are coming near by. Okay, but in plain areas we cannot see like this. So this is all for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share with your friends, subscribe the channel. Thank you.